Can you enforce an existing child custody order? Imagine you have a court order that says your child will spend every other weekend with you. Now, what happens if the other parent refuses to follow that plan? Can you make them do what the court has already decided? That's what we're here to find out. Child custody orders are official instructions from a court that decide how parents share responsibilities for their child's care. These orders cover where the child lives, visitation schedules, and who makes decisions about health and education. Because they are court-issued, they have the power of law behind them. This means law enforcement and courts can step in if someone doesn't follow the order. If one parent doesn't stick to the custody plan, the first step is to gather proof. Keep records of missed visitations, messages, or any refusal to let the child see the other parent. It's best to try talking directly with the other parent first. Sometimes a simple conversation or written message can resolve the issue. But if that doesn't work, you can file a motion for enforcement with the court that issued the original custody order. This legal step asks the court to make sure the order is followed. The court can then order the non-compliant parent to follow the rules. They might also impose penalties like fines or requiring the parent to give extra visitation time. In serious cases, if a parent repeatedly disobeys the order, they could face jail time for contempt of court. When the custody order was made in another state, enforcement becomes a bit more complicated. You need to register the out-of-state order with your local court first. This involves submitting certified copies of the original order and related documents. Once registered, the local court can enforce it just like any other custody order. Sometimes circumstances change so much that the current order no longer makes sense. Instead of trying to enforce it again and again, parents can ask the court to modify the custody arrangement. This process involves showing that the new plan better suits the child's current needs. In the end, enforcing a child custody order is about making sure the child's best interests are protected. It's a legal process that involves documenting violations, trying to resolve issues informally, and, if needed, asking the court for help. This way, parental rights and duties are respected, and the child's stability is maintained.